fourth question. Usually it is going to appear as a fourth in a main examination. So if A is equals to matrix that it is 4 7, next is 6 5, then what he has asked to find determinant of 3a. So solution, we shall proceed here. So what is the given data? You can mention it please. So given data, he has given that matrix A as that he has given, that is what, 4 7 6 5. So its order is of 2 by 2. Then what he has asked, what is the determinant of 3a? Okay, first and foremost we shall find out what is that 3a, then we shall find out the determinant of 3a. So what we have to do here, that 3a we can find out just multiplying this 3 to all the elements of the given matrix A. Then it is going to come out as 3 into 4 that is 12, 3 into 7 that is 21, next 3 into 6 18, next 3 into 5 that is 15. Okay, then it is of order again 2 by 2. What we shall do now, we have to find out 3a. Therefore determinant of 3a is equals to determinant of what it is, 12, next 21, okay, so 18, and then 15. So what we have to do, just multiply this diagonally and then minus multiply diagonally this. So that is 12 into 15, 12 into 15 minus 18 into 21. Then it is going to come out as 12 into 15 as 180. Next minus 18 into 21, it is 378. Then after subtraction, so that 3a, it is determinant of 3a, it is going to come out. Therefore determinant of 3a, which is equals to, so minus 198. Okay, next fifth we shall proceed now. So let us note the fifth question. So usually again this also be going to appear as fourth question in main examination. So what he has asked here, find determinant of 3a if matrix A that he has given, what it is, 4 minus 1 3 2. Okay, again in the similar fashion we shall proceed. Solution. So given data, mention the given data. Given data he has given, so that is matrix A he has given. So whatever the matrix A he has given, so let us write that one. Matrix A has given that 4 minus 1, next is 3 2, so its order is 2 by 2. Then what he has asked, again determinant of 3a is question mark. Okay, again we shall find out first. Now 3a is equals to, what we have to do, again 3 has to be multiplied to all these elements. So 3 into 4 that is 12, 3 into minus 1 that is minus 3, 3 into 3 that is 9, 3 into 2 that is 6. So order of this is 2 by 2. So what we have to do now? So that is, therefore determinant of 3a is equals to, so do that one, determinant of 3a, determinant of this 12 minus 3 and then 9 6. Okay, you do the cross multiplication along this diagonal and minus this cross multiplication. So see here, that is 12 into 6, that is what, 72. So on this side 9 into minus 3, that is what, minus 27. But while taking on this side minus and minus, that is going to come out as plus 27. Then if you add that one, that is going to come out as 99. What it is, that is, therefore determinant of 3a, it is what, 99. Is it clear? Okay. Next, similarly, sixth problem here. We shall proceed the sixth one. So sixth he has given, that is, so on that also you can write as Q4. Usually fourth question it is going to appear in main examination. So if whatever the matrix A he has given, write it. If A is equals to 2 3, next minus 1 2, then what he has asked to find out? So he has asked to find out find determinant of 2a. So mention the given data. Solution given data, he has given that given data that whatever A he has given, mention that with order. Matrix A he has given as 2 3, next is minus 1 2, order of this is 2 by 2 it is. Okay, what he has asked, what is the determinant of 2a, question mark. Okay, first and premost we shall find out 2a. Now 2a, what we have to do, just 2 has to be multiplied to all these elements of a. So multiply it, you are going to get it as 2 into 2, that is 4, 2 into 3, that is 6, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, next 2 into 2, that is 4. Okay, again its order is also be what, that is 2 by 2 only. Even if you mention, does not matter. Even if you are not going to mention, that is no so problem at all. So first and premost, again what we have to do here, therefore determinant of 2a, that is equals to determinant of what it is, please, that is 4 6, next minus 2 4. Okay, so do that one here, multiply along this diagonal, that is equals to 4 into 4 that is 16, next minus 2 into, that is 6 minus 12, minus minus plus 12 it is. Okay, so 16 plus 12, this is what, 28. So that is determinant of 2a is 28.